Enhanced literals. Enhanced literals are nothing but they provide a shorthand syntax for initializing properties from variables, right? So enough of definition. Let's go back and look at how it works so that we actually understand what it is without me talking much, right? So for example, I have a constant which says name is Dave, right? And constant age is 22, right? So I have to construct a object out of it. So let me say let user is equal to what name is the name constant which I have there, comma age is the age constant which I have there, right? So what do you get when you print this? Console.log, I get user, right? A name is a name and age is the age. How redundant is this code? You keep writing, right? Name and age, right? So this is not that good looking, right? So enhanced literals come into picture here. So when you have the key and the value pair has the same name, key and the value has the same name, you can choose to write only one. So you can say name comma age, right? So when you have key and the value having the same names, you can choose to omit the colon and the value. You can have only name comma age. Let us look at another example here, and let me say I want to find the area of a rectangle, right? Say let us do that. So I have constant, or I can say it as length. Length is 10, breadth is 20, right? And let me write a function find area, right? Find area, and it takes two parameters. One is length and another is breadth. I say area is equal to length into breadth, right? When I return, I want to return as a object which has length, breadth and area, right? So how do I return? Return, I want to construct an object here, right? So I want to say length is length, comma, breadth is breadth, comma, area is area, right? And then let me invoke the function find area of length, comma, breadth. And then I say console.log of this, right? So let us go back and apply our rules here for enhanced literal. When the key and the value has the same name, I don't have to specify it like this, right? So I can go ahead and remove my value and the colon. Still my output remains the same. Clear, right? Yeah. So let's look at another example for this, right? Say, for example, I have a user object like this. So in this case, when we apply enhanced literals concept, so I don't have to have this colon and the name here. I can remove this. And if there is a function which is defined here, I don't have to say the keyword function and I can go ahead and remove the colon against it. So this way, it becomes very simple, right? This is another use case for enhanced literals.